The only way to keep her cool. I just wrung out a towel and it's very damp. And she seems to be feeling a bit settled there. But Tilly wouldn't let me do it. She didn't like it one bit. Don't like it, do you, darling? And we've got this for another 10 days or so. Hallelujah. Poor little girl. You feel cooler soon, baby. Tilly doesn't pant like Rosie. But Rosie has a heart murmur. Maybe that's not helping. Fingers crossed. All I need is a good night's rain. My water butt has just reached its last, and we've got a hose pipe down, which is a total pain. Please send us some rain. Anyone know a rain dance?